filling up some gas. About to go to the clothing store, dude. We're about to see. I got some designs we're coming up with, dude. I'm hyped. This design we're doing today is just for my girl, just for her to do something at home. That's kind of why I'm actually doing this, but I'm coming out with more designs in the future. So today we're gonna test them out, dude. I'm hyped. I've been overthinking it like crazy, but I'm honestly gonna stop overthinking it. I'm just gonna make whatever. If people don't like it, then whatever. I'm sure some people like my design, so let's just full send. Oh, I'm still on 500 freaking horsepower. I was still on 500 horsepower. Nah, I actually knew it because I could feel it.
Feels
good. You're so scared. It's hilarious. Nah, I'm gonna keep it chill. I'm gonna keep it chill. Don't worry. I'm only gonna do like another 2 minutes of this, but that's what makes this car fun, bro. Is those poles in the freeway. Holy, yeah, barely under the bridge, but dude, it just has so much pull. That's way too fun, bro. This is perfect cut up like freeway right now. There's no.
I'm surprised it's not so busy.
Usually do for work, bro. This is like
the day before Thanksgiving.
It's because rush hour's over for the morning. It's rush hour's over. There's actually a cop. I guess maybe he was on the other side. I know.
It echoes.
It's also because this wall too.
Oh yeah, there goes the traffic.
So satisfying. The lighting is kind of too bright for this, but in person, dude, it's freaking nasty. We're freaking here though. Let's get it. Everybody know, boys. Just gotta get something out, bro. Cause my ideas are super basic, but the reason why I like my ideas is because it's facts, right? Like one of my ideas is doubt kills more than failure. Day off, baby, day off.
On our grind.
We're done ordering the samples, dude. Starting with 50 quantity. We're gonna see how it works out. Sheesh. That Mercedes up front is nasty. If that's a GT63, those are, oh my gosh, those will smoke me out of oblivion. Oh my gosh. Holy. Oh my gosh, this area is nasty. Holy.
Left here.
Oh, it's a GT43. Shoot, yeah, this thing goes hard. I freaking love this thing, dude. Traffic's gonna be freaking insane. It's supposed to be 20 minutes, freaking 50 minutes, dude. Thanksgiving, bro. That goes hard, bro. No, you ain't, bro. It's so loud right now.
Why?
It's because the wall. Alright, there's too much traffic. Yeah, if you guys want to check out my merch, I'm gonna have it in the description. And obviously the name of my clothing line is Kingdom Minded, because at the end of the day, guys, like I said, you know, this world is vain, this whole life is vain, but all that matters is eternity. So I'm gonna be representing that until I'm dead. Because I'm gonna die anyway, so might as well represent the kingdom while I'm at it. But I'm also might be streaming sometimes for fun, so I'll also put my Twitch in the description just for fun. If you guys want to go follow it, I might go live so I can also, you know, talk about life and you guys can ask me questions. So it's gonna be a vibe, dude. But definitely, if you guys want to check out my merch, it's gonna be the first link in the description. I don't know how this angle looks like right now, but I'm ending off the video. Today we pretty much ordered some clothes. I'm doing like a mixture of like, you know, Christian slash like pure gas amounts, slash base like inspirational stuff, kind of like things to do with doubt, things to do with like taking risks, biblical. That's obviously aligned to the Bible and stuff. So I'm gonna do a whole bunch of things. So if you guys are just a chick that wants to do something like buy something girly, there's some girly things on there because my girl wants to do it. So I'm like, you know what? Why not? You have some ideas, they're fire. And then we have some, dude, this will be so many fire ideas. We're gonna try a bunch. We're just gonna have fun with them. My goal is not to make a bunch of money. My goal is just to have fun with it, and mostly just to sell my own clothes. That's it. Okay, there's a cop literally just passed by me. I hope that was not a legal U-turn. What's this dude doing? Oh no, I'm ditching you, bro. I'm going a whole different way. Don't be tripping about it. I'm going a whole different way, bro. Anyways, yeah, we're doing merch stuff, and also while I was there, I traded today. I made like $200 this morning, small size, just because it's Thanksgiving weekend, so I kind of want to keep it chill. Then while I was at the merch place, one of my alerts went off, basically meaning is like I didn't want to touch this trade until I went to this certain price. I was there just chilling. Oh shoot, the market's crashing, because I can see it dropped like 80 cents like within 9 minutes. I get on, I jump on the trade, and I have it in the video where like literally live trading while I'm getting merch, bro. God's got a plan, bro. God's got a plan. I'm gonna tell you now, guys. I can't even tell you how I became profitable. It's been 5 weeks I've been consistent, and I take my own trades. I can't even explain to you why I'm becoming so confident and why I'm becoming so consistent. I don't know why. I'm sure obviously all the time I put in, all the years of all the past year and a half of just straight studying, grinding, understanding the market. Obviously that plays a role, obviously, right? Like that's you can't run away from that. But that's putting God first, dude. It's just something, dude. It's something else. Like it's all about God's timing for real. And if something doesn't go your way, bro, don't blame it on God. Don't blame it on timing either. You just gotta hustle harder. It means it's just you gotta keep learning more. It means you don't know enough to become profitable. I can tell for a fact right now, bro, if I became a profitable trader like a year ago, I would probably lose it all. Just because I didn't learn anything, right? I would learn from my mistakes anyway. So, dude, you just gotta take risks, bro. You gotta take freaking risks. Dude, this car sounds freaking amazing, dude. So I told you guys, bro, my goal was to get an M5, and I told myself I can't get an M5. We're gonna see what happens, bro. I think in like 6 months, I'll start a server and actually wake up every morning, trade for an hour, and then go to my 9 to 5 job, you know, and make it like a priority, kind of like a schooling, you know, like I have to make it a priority. I mean, I have to treat it like a school. You know, I'm trying to learn something that's long term, and you know, especially if I become consistent, you guys can watch me do it. And I've been coming to a point where I'm literally teaching all my friends around me, and I'm showing them what I'm getting in, why I'm getting in. It works really well. And honestly, dude, like when people tell me like it's not too good to be true, bro, you can't tell me that when I'm literally been consistent for 5 weeks straight, and I've been doing this for over a year and a half, and I know what I've been doing wrong. And it's, dude, you can make money every day. Like, it doesn't matter who you are, you can make money every day. It doesn't matter what's happening to the market. So I'm hyped, dude. Like I said, if you guys want to check out the merch, it's gonna be the first link in the description. I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch probably like every weekend. Probably, you know, playing games and who knows what else. I don't know. I'll probably make some videos of me just, actually I should start live stream like this. I wonder if I get banned if I live stream like this. I know TikTok doesn't like you driving while you stream for some reason, even though like I'm hands free. I don't know, bro. Actually insane. That sounds harder. Holy. That sounds insane right now. That's amazing. Dude, this angle is so much better. I don't have to worry about my speedometer, bro. We're on the speed limit in every single video, bro. Nothing to trip about. Gosh. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Holy. I'm pushing it right now, dude. Sounds so good right now. Too loud. Guys, work freaking hard, bro. I mean, even in the 9 to 5, even the job I'm working right now, I'm busting my butt every single day, bro, trying to learn as much as I can. And literally, this past like month, I've been learning all these new things. Super stressful, but I've learned to embrace it when it's like stressful. I don't know what I'm doing, because I eventually figure it out. Like, dude, I love failing. Failing is such a part of success. It's unreal. Failing is so freaking important. Like, I feel like once you enjoy failing and just you enjoy continuing to fail, eventually you succeed. I mean, eventually you will, no matter what. I don't care what anyone's got to say, bro. Eventually you'll succeed. And like I said, guys, put God first, man. At the end of the day, all of this is vain. This Hellcat, when I'm dead, bro, this Hellcat does not matter. When I'm dead, all the money I make in the world does not matter. All the knowledge I gain, all of it, none of it freaking matters, bro. None of it. You can die any freaking day, bro. You can die on a plane, you can die on the streets, you can die from a car crash, from a drunk driver, all this stuff, bro. You can die any freaking day of the week. And honestly, I bet you anything, guys, like, God bless anyone that's watching. I pray that God protects you, because I bet you anything, out of all the 1,000 people that watch me, someone's passing away, bro. So all I can say, I have to say, just receive God as your Lord and Savior, and that's it. You're saved. And then, of course, you start doing things because you know God's real, right? You know He exists. Someone had to create the universe. So you start doing things to please God, not to gain salvation. Salvation's not gained. It's a free gift. So no matter what you do, you can never gain salvation. As long as you receive the free gift, you're saved. But if you truly believe and truly receive the gift, all you're gonna want to do is please God because of what He did on the cross for you. You know, He brought His only Son to die for you, even though you don't deserve it. That's crazy. What was that, man? I don't know. So I know I'm just yapping now, bro, but hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Oh my, this is perfect shit right now.
75, bro, I'm gonna go freaking crazy. Holy crap. Anyways, boys, if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.